Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this session, I have discussed object oriented features, inheritance, polymorphism, abstraction, data binding, message passing. In the last session, I have discussed class feature and object feature in OOPS concept. The remaining features are discussed in this class. So, what is meant by inheritance? Inheritance. It means reusable. It means reusable. What is meant by reusable? Reusable means superclass properties inherit subclass. Reusable means superclass properties inherit subclass. In the superclass properties inherit the subclass using keyword extends. Using the keyword extends. Superclass properties inherit in the subclass using the keyword extends. The syntax about the inheritance. Syntax means we have write the class keyword. We have write the class keyword after name of the class, like superclass name, open the parenthesis, write the some methods are statements. Some methods are statements in this class. After write, we have write the subclass like class, the name of the subclass name, subname. We can use the keyword extends. After write the extend keyword, we can declare the superclass name, super name. We can write the subclass methods or statements in this. Methods or statement. So clearly the syntax about the inheritance, we can write the one class, that is the superclass. We can write the another class, that is the subclass. The superclass properties inherit in the subclass the using of the keyword extends. The syntax about the inheritance. The next concept is the polymorphism. What is meant by polymorphism? The next feature, object oriented system. Polymorphism. The polymorphism. The word came from Greek countries. The word came from Greek countries. In the meaning of the polymorphism, poly means many, morphism means forms. The poly means many, morphism means forms. The polymorphism, exactly symbol for the polymorphism using of the plus symbol. In this plus symbol can be performed the adding of the two words like Sai plus Ram, the two words can be adding Sai Ram. Similarly, addition of the two numbers like 10 plus 20, that is equal to 30. In the two operation, the using of the common symbol is plus. The meaning of the polymorphism. Poly means many, morphism means forms. Different forms can be performed like that plus operator. This is the polymorphism. The next one is the data abstraction. The next concept is data abstraction, next feature, or abstraction, no problem. Data abstraction. The data abstraction means hiding unnecessary data. Hiding unnecessary data into the program. Unnecessary data into the program. We can use this feature by using the keyword, abstract keyword in the programming level. We can use this feature by using the keyword is the abstract keyword. This is the data abstraction. Abstraction means hiding unnecessary data. Unnecessary data ni hide chestundi. Like we can use the abstract feature the using of the keyword abstract in the programming level. The next concept is the data binding. Data binding. In OOPS concept, data can be binding only for class. In OOPS concept, data can be binding only for class. Without class, we cannot write any type of information in the object oriented system. So data can be binding using of the class. Data can be binding. The next one is the message passing. Message passing. Message passing means the data can be transferred into class in the object, because class directly cannot display any result in the programming level. The class data all goes to the object. The object data can be displayed in the program runtime. The program runtime object data can be displayed. In this nature, the data can be passing class into the object. This is the some features of the object oriented programming system. Okay. Thank you.